Napodin appeared in the year audio ni so oni nkofo and NPP for nkofo.
Abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana and Sam TV so. But one more so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications. Say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabi na so watch your comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so. Ko yin na dream say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we die. E dey need to Sudan say man we need that chi bia. Na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say, who say you own it a responsibility. I mean, a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think, say, I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it, as a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin Chankra, Mommy Uncle, the Uncle video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President.
An audio on this platform about a year ECG in Ashanti region, which in that a year audio no Napodin appeared in the year audio ni so oni nkofo and NPP for nkofo bi akwa meeting. Mugabe masi amiti enya de sema betna ha aka se napo akwa akodi bone ana se ECG engineer bia yeden akwa akodi eye bone. Napo is a brother. Me call London Nimi kuma ene Asante Babes kamba wa mini omotena for close to about 7 years. Napoko London akamba wa Babes won unity Nimi Asante the same Asante no so na me call London na me miti baby ana meti and just about a minute walk to his barbering shop on Nikita ene ada Babes nyina enti sa recording na audio na ye bo ha no se H0w bi e de abre yenua Matthew Opoko prempa Mijina H0w broadcasting ya Power FM room any TV H0w as a general manager and host of this program said the bia metrana me catch you say me bubibi na say ade no enfi me side am ka say allegedly and I use the word allegedly it is a H0w bi e de abre and former MP for Menshia South, right? Yunia Matthew Poko Prempa, dear can say, dear Yabo Habia, and a Chesan, near the chop and so yet the man. Do Habia Bre on in a bushia and in a young Kufua, yes, Eja, yes, Nika Genias that Nemum Prayer, Ukaboma emu, Bawi Bakuno Bua, Ede, Ebuje, NDC NPP, Yenya Atan for, Inina, a two side edidi. The same ya paying say audio na ebo ha no H0w bi abrena yesese ye twisa audio no sai etokuna nchen na odo a wo ye ntem da bia ye tena se ya kan ha no ye hwehwe mu aya ye ekire se that said meeting no bibia sa anyeden amaso nti onmunyamfo Matthew Poko Prempe ya 2024 elections now ye running mate to ye papa Alhaji Bawumia how be ade abro obia na wadaroma adwobrɛw obetwe na woso wode atofom bɔkɔ ade amaye ne yede odo na wo yentem de bia no yede abom asomsa saa so na mo ayibubo mu din edi bia ne why omubo about the engineers but it was say Ashanti region some of the engineers no say enoso unions no man happy with that audio na ye boy no nti yegina ha say unions no moso mone workers ni nyina no how be ade abremu bia no H0w broadcast say monfa nyeden monfa enche echopa emode ye de mamu nyina sanso ena bia ebeto dwa on that audio ni say meeting na ho ne course no edi
esi kumasi akurase what's would ye 24 hours economy policy ebe side na sa market na wakwa siasia akura na ase no ebe contain 24 hours economy policy yey o ti asem okan or say what $1 so. Na dollar na wa te so no intime reflect to nimpa bra ba wonye hwe. What $1 so? Enso nioma boa yedin. What $1 so? Enso ye ntwa de. What $1 so? Youth ni adwuma ye. What $1 so? Nurses gufia wo mu nya adwuma nye. What $1 so? Teachers gufia wie school wo mu nya adwuma nye. What $1 so? Yes hospitals no wo mu nimpa wo mu beda so. What $1 so? Yentua nurses ka. What $1 so? Yentua teachers ka. Indidie pa na ekere se amambo na NDC bu na ya papa. Die na ekere. Se dollar was 11 cedi. Se dollar no. Se dollar it was 17 cedi. And then na kufu ado. Na ye ton ade na ye ton. Na nyama boa ye de ba still now ye ton. Na dollar ba 11 cedi and the NDC government. By ye ta de ye nton. Enyama na ne boa ye de ne still now koso na ekoso. Adie na ekire wo, die na speak kire wo. Adie na ekire wo se NDC phone faili. Adie na ekire wo. Adie na ekire wo pass NDC party ni mfeli. NDC government ni mfeli. Adie na ekire.
Oso va so pa ne se NDC party. Oso ne fa so bia oso. So you cannot rescue Ghana. But catch up boko. Me na my kasa am very calm because mba no mo ye fragile. Me catch up plan. Kawano atum. Dr. Bawumia went to me for number from Ghana for name Dr. Bawumia. Obi any mo boss ko na work no. Ghana for name no. Yet outside we know him. All my ben also they know him. And you can never bring such a person down, my dear. Temple so when he said the table will turn one day. And after that, what next? Even the next NDC government or administration will not consider you. They are using you temporarily. It is show who see that can one etum. When you must say me no baby, the problems mum never brought now. So shut up. I'm a obushwa for ndromo. Okay? Good.
Of Kennedy Agyapong saying he's left the party.
I haven't heard it. I have not heard it. And
That is brother.
if it is, if I have never been heard about his brother, I only heard about him.
Right.
And like I am, when you are in a political party, it does not mean whether your brother should also be in a political party. I don't know whether he's also there.
No, he contested.
So for this comment, I haven't heard it. So if indeed that is what he said, maybe it can be true and it can be false. It's left with Honorable Kennedy or Agyapong to dispute that. And we talk about a committee. He talked about a committee that was set up in Ashanti region because of Kennedy. I put it on record here from the National Secretariat of the party. No committee was set up in Ashanti region purposely for Kennedy or Agyapong. We set up one committee headed by Professor Reverend Mike Okay.
Oh, what are we talking about?
To investigate and also to interact with the party people and come out with the report. And that is something that has been done. Again, the huge defeat that happened in this country for the first time was 2016. 2016. The 2024 is just the second, overlapping that of the 2016. The NDC was slapped with a huge defeat.
Yeah, close to 1 million, you say.
Yes. And look, it disintegrated the entire NDC. I visited him in Techiman when they sat down to do a collation. This man could not even drink his tea.
Oh, you're talking about
computer. They could not even come with resource. And let me tell you,
it was that bad?
NPP won the 2016 election because of what happened in 2012. And we went to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court looked at the weight of the evidence, agreed with most of the things that we sent there, and told us that elections are won at the polling station. We came and did a lot of reforms. We went, manned the polling stations, and won the elections from the polling stations. So we won the elections on our own merit. We did a lot of things before we went for that particular election, but we won the elections on our own merit. Whether we had a leader at the time or we did not.
Just say you nim oman issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na dan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e chere Ghana for say me ba we ni we na me yama mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the number of hospitals in the because of time. But those ones it really go and see how they have been operationalized. And then look, I say we have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals are not all right. But because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, hospital and a go sound and no woman say. It is a Kenyan saying and no man in Abaya. It is a kind of country was I would to me was oh, I mean, say almost same people for comfort. Name my comfort my sacrificing discard to what the hospitals, most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitator me on the funded free seniors who so may comfort. Is there any Ghana for debut? I find a tables net and after the Mokikam Makaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nkɔ no ho. Asofo no mo nkɔmɔ no ntu with the greatest of respect. Omo nkɔmɔ no ntu ne nkɔ nyina ho. Chief imam for ne nkɔmɔ no ntu ne nkɔ nyina ho. Politicians ne nkɔmɔ no ntu ne nkɔ nyina ho. Market women omo nkɔmɔ no ntu ne nkɔ nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nkɔ nyina ho. 2020 dua, then you know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open nkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest kwa ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kwa ni obi ma credit scoring system also open yanketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most open yanketenkete. Is enya mo den. You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then yet any in ho papa and I feel them watch them. Men are warning was such a messabi. Men are me catch you by John Dramani Mamas all members come to one. Yewa. Digitalization started say yeah, most daddy. Digitalization and to kinky. It's more kinky sika. It's a mamu papa naba, or mamu kinky, and mamu added a mocum. You will come here. And you are John Dramani Mama could not if I say. And can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, I'm only kinking and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but to Banama boom, 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 boom. Much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say, dear, go your credit, and now to me who let a be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now, Miss Films, eh? Ramona Chapa, ya happiness say, where I can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okwe letter now was say Council of State member no ye former staff Emanam 1 which is never true.
Onya juma order and Onya juma order Amanam 1 for the first time Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post. Yeah, no catch you be say oh dependent boy.